Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm gonna be deploying a front-running bot on Pancakeswap with the WBNB pair. If you're following me from my last video, I got taken down due to some copyright notice due to some audio I had in my video. Lessons learned, we're starting anew. So, please just follow the description of this video. Download MetaMask and also funding it. And make sure it is connected to the Binance Smart Chain. That's about halfway there. Then just open Remix, which is the window I'm over right now. remix.ethereum.org. This is where we are building the new contract for our front-running bot. You can pause this video when you need time. Right now I'm gonna go to Contracts. Under Contract I'm creating a new contract. Just hover over this icon and click Create New File. We're gonna name this contract Front Run Bot. Then we're gonna copy the contract information I put in the video description. Couple things to look at, the lines 50 and 51. This one is the input address for the WBNB token. Just copy and paste on BSC scan for double checking. So everything seems to be fine. That's the token tracker for WBNB, because this is the token we are going to be working against. And here is also the Pancake router for Pancakeswap version 2. All this information is preloaded through a function manager that routes back to a Node.js file which was built with VS Code. This can be run with injected Web3, which leads us to the following point. This was built with Solidity 6.6, which was the version of Remix this was compiled in. So we go to version 6.6. And that's it. Now just let me click on Compile for building the front run bot. There we go, it's compiled. Now we're gonna deploy this to our wallet. So we're gonna do injected Web3. Make sure your wallet is connected to Remix. How you can make sure it's connected? Open your wallet and in the top left corner the green point should appear. If it's not yet, then just click on it and connect your wallet to Remix. Mine is already connected though. Now it should let us deploy this. There we go. Some gas. It's totally fine. We're gonna confirm that. We should get a transaction confirmation here at the bottom. And here we go. Now we have our deployment utility here, which is a small drop-down with few buttons. Now we're gonna just copy and paste that contract address to check if it shows up on BSC scan. We can see that there's an address there now. The next step of this process is just funding your contract. Let's go to your wallet. Click on MetaMask. See? It took a little bit of gas, but nothing to worry about. Because we're making some serious gains from that anyway. So we're gonna send some funds to the contract we just created. Make sure to put in the right address in there. For sake of this video I will do 0.2 BNB. Well, let's make it 0.4, because a little bit extra sometimes helps. So that way we can make sure that we make an impact on liquidity, once we interact with a contract that just added liquidity within Pancakeswap. Let's give it a moment. There we go, the transaction is confirmed, we sent it to the contract. Next thing we will do after sending it to the contract is we just go over here and press the action button. The action button then will engage with all the constructors I built in and is also engaging with the Pancakeswap router. It automatically buys and sells for you. So how that works is, it transacts with the liquidity as soon as it's added to a token. And then it gives it generally a, let me see. Yeah, I put it in with this variable that it will be just 1 minute before the action sells. So you basically just do an automated buy sells within 1 minute. So it will find the liquidity, buys into that project, so we will front run all the retail investors that just come in. We be only competing with other bots and the mempool, and we will automatically sell within 1 minute. And then from there it will take 90% and sends it back to your wallet, and the remaining 10% will stay within the front run protocol. The 10% will keep sniffing for liquidity to front run and transacts the profit back to your wallet. I had really good luck with this. Over the last few weeks I made several hundred BNB, which I can show you transaction reports from on BSC Scan to calibrate that. But without further talking, let's click action, which will start the contract. Usually it only needs few minutes before profits getting deposited back to our address, so let me click this. It's gonna ask for another signature, which will take a little bit of gas again. We just confirmed that. Now our bot is looking for liquidity within Pancakeswap. Once it finds it, it will automatically front run it. Generally this takes about a minute. There is liquidity added literally every minute of the day, because everyone's coming out with their own stupid little shitcoin. But at least we can get ahead of that and make a little bit of profit out of it. We are buying it on the same block on the liquidity. So everyone who's buying it through Pancakeswap, we're gonna be in front of them. So let me take a look. I can almost guarantee that I got something back by now. And there we go, we already at around 10x. The 10% will now automatically be reinvested and the 90% will be sent again to our address. So the longer we wait, the more we make. You can run this cycle multiple times a day, so you can have upwards 100 BNB per day, and you can of course put more funds into the initial contract for even make more money. Happy front running, guys. We all gonna make it.